Hi, everybody. It's Catie Harris from Philly Wellness Center, and we're talking about how peptides imitate stem cell behavior. So in the previous video, we talked about how stem cells heal, not by becoming new tissue, but by sending messages, so chemical signals that wake up your body's natural repair system. So the question becomes, if those signals are the real key, can we replicate them? And the answer is yes. And that's exactly what peptide therapy does. So it's a science of mimicking what stem cells naturally say. So you can regenerate without needing the cells themselves, right? So think of your body as an intelligent city. Stem cells are the emergency broadcast system. They don't rebuild the buildings themselves. They send the instructions to every construction town and team. And then when you use peptides, you're turning on that same broadcast frequency. And these short protein sequences will tell your cells to repair tissue, build collagen, reduce inflammation, regrow nerve and blood vessels. They speak the same biochemical language as stem cells, and your body listens. So peptides that behave like stem cells. Let's look at a few examples of stem cell mimetic peptides that are revolutionizing regenerative medicine. So BPC-157, this is derived from your own gastric juices, and it promotes angiogenesis. That's the growth of new blood vessels. Just like stem cells do when they heal tissue, it also speeds up ligament, tendon, and gut repair. Thymus beta 4, this peptide helps stem cells migrate to the site of injury and promotes actin regeneration, which is vital for cell movement and structure. Think of it as a cellular traffic director. GHKCU, naturally found in human plasma, this copper peptide triggers collagen remodeling, wound healing, and even stem cell activation in the skin. It's one of the most studied anti-aging molecules in the world. Now, epitalin and pinealon, these are brain peptides that extend the lifespan of cells by supporting telomeres and resetting genetic expression, similar to how stem cells refresh aging tissue. Each of these peptides copies part of the stem cell playbook, turning on the same genes, growth factors, and repair pathways. Peptides don't replace themselves, they reactivate. So here's what's so elegant about the peptides. They don't force your body to do anything unnatural. They simply remind the cells of what they were designed to do. That's the true meaning of regenerative medicine, right? You're not replacing tissue, you're restoring communication. And when the message is clear, repair, grow, renew, your cells respond instantly because that language is already written in your biology. And so why does this work better than stem cells? Well, stem cells decline with age. Their number and responsiveness both drop as well. But the signaling network they use is still intact. So when you use peptides, you're bypassing the shortage of stem cells and going straight to the command center. You can stimulate repair daily, gently, and intelligently without invasive procedures or cellular implants. That's why I call peptides the everyday regenerative medicine. They make cellular renewal accessible, safe, and systemic. So in our next episode, we'll talk about why peptides don't work for everyone and what you need to fix first to make sure that your cells are responsive again. Because these molecules are powerful messengers, but they can only act if the terrain is ready. And that's why when peptides stop being supplements and they start becoming a system of regeneration. So regeneration doesn't start in a vial, it starts in your cells, and I will see you in the next video.